In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on Big Cartel online in just 5 minutes. Whether you're an artist looking to purchase tools or a small business owner seeking supplies, Big Cartel provides a simple platform to find and purchase unique products created by independent makers. To get started, you'll need to head over to Big Cartel's website. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL bigcartel.com. Once there, you'll see Big Cartel's homepage, which highlights its dedication to artists and small businesses through free and easy online stores. Next, you'll want to find and click the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Here, you'll type in your shop URL and your password. If you don't have a Big Cartel account yet, you'll need to sign up to gain access to shop actual products. For returning users, remember to keep your login details secure to protect your account. After entering your credentials, press the login button to proceed. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your personal dashboard. On this page, locate and click on the shop button. This will bring you to a section where you can view all available products from various creatives and small businesses. Within the shop section, click on all products. This will provide you with a comprehensive list of everything available, making it easier for you to browse through the myriad of options. Take your time exploring and select a product that piques your interest. Perhaps you find a unique piece of jewelry or a handcrafted item that suits your needs. Upon selecting a product, you'll usually see options for different variants or styles such as size or color. Choose the variant that suits your preference by clicking on it. The next step is to add your selected variant to your cart by clicking on the Add to Cart button. This action will save your selected items and allow you to review them later before making a purchase. After adding products to your cart, click on the Checkout button. It's typically located at the top of the page or sometimes at the bottom near your shopping cart icon. The checkout step confirms